categorically prohibited ingredients of Grade-IX Cerulean. Maximum temperature 30 Celsius, minimum temperature 20 Celsius, precipitation 5%, wind speed 9 km per hour, humidity 63%, air quality good. This is a lot of good. Thank you very much. Students, what you have managed to Grade-IX Cerulean. So, what you have done is nothing compared to what you can do. I really consider what you have done is nothing compared to what you can do. Thank you. Parents for this body by government regulation stages. Government banks IOD platforms and streaming operation continue. 4 years. Instead T20 World Cup. New plan office. England market will be today's what is currently by you on Grade-IX Cerulean. Today's what diligence, it means showing care and effort in one. Work or beauty. Example, he is a diligent student who is submit his work on time. Friends, please well after me. Diligent. E right. L-I-G-E-N-E. Diligent. Grade-IX Cerulean. Question for grade 7. This country has won the most of the FIFA World Cup. You have to give the right answer and answer is Brazil. Question for grade 8. Who is known as the CR7? You have to give the right answer and the answer is CR7. Question for grade 9. Which country has won the FIFA World Cup in 2019? Sorry, did not pick the right answer, and the answer is France. Thank you.
I am audition of Grade-IX Cerulean. Now the SSR moral values reflection of what is done and what is said. There are actions that a compass, there is kindness, happiness, everywhere. Honesty is trusting people. Respect makes our relationships strong. Responsibility help us to grow into a better individual life and so let us all practice this moral values in our day-to-day life. Thank you. Bangladesh moving towards restoring visa for Indian national diplomatic process. National Day. Canada PM Marco Carney arrived in Mumbai on 4 days visit India. Thank you.